Hi, this is Kathleen, your instructor. I just wanted to touch base with you because we're getting towards the end of the semester and I want to make sure you know what's going on in the last couple of weeks. So here I've got week 14 items available now. That starts on April 16th, but you can certainly get a jump on it. So in week 14 you're going to read chapter 16, the critic and the dramaturg, and you're also going to take a quiz over chapter 16. And you have an assignment, which is to analyze 2 reviews of the same play. And I just want to point out it could be a play you've recently seen, or it could be a play you really want to see. And it could be 2 reviews of the same exact production, or it could be 1 review each of 2 different productions. So if one company did a production of Hamlet and another company did a production of Hamlet, you could read a review from both. And if you just Google theater reviews, you're going to find all kinds of stuff. Or you could Google, The Lion King reviews and find a bunch of stuff. So just think about a production you want to write about and find 2 reviews about it. Okay, so that's description is here under week 14. I also want to point out the test 2 description, which I have here. Test 2 is coming up April 29th to May 4th. This is a little bit different schedule than you're used to. This is a Sunday through a Friday. Our course ends on a Friday. Usually you're used to Monday night deadlines, but I did incorporate a Sunday and a Monday into this time frame, which I know a lot of you like to do your work on those days. So you can study for it now and just take the test as of April 29th. So this is a test consisting of objective and essay questions. Most but not all questions are taken directly from the quizzes over the textbook chapters 12 to 16 and the plays we've read since test 1, which would be Fences and Waiting for Godot. So make sure you have access to a reliable computer for at least an hour and a half to 2 hour time frame, and make sure you have your textbook handy. The test will actually be timed at about 2.5 hours, so that'll give you plenty of time, but make sure you've got that time scheduled out. You can only submit the test one time. You can't take it more than once, and it will only be available, like I said, between Sunday, April 29th, starting at midnight, starting at 12 a.m., through Friday, May 4th at midnight. So make sure you are familiar with the content in chapters 12 to 16 of the text and the plays we've read since week 9. So you can now review your previous quizzes in the gradebook. If you go to the gradebook tab up here along the top, you should be able to select the week and the quiz that you want to look at, and it will show you the questions and what you answered and any feedback that I gave you. It's not going to show you the correct answers, so if you didn't get the question correct, please look for the answer, email me, call me, try to figure it out, because you might see that question again on the test. I'd be more than happy to point you to the direction that you can find the answer. So please don't hesitate to contact me prior to April 29th. I won't be able to answer your question after the test has opened, so hopefully you can respect that. And these quizzes will only be able to review in the gradebook until the 28th. So even if you've scheduled yourself to take the test on May 4th, you won't be able to access the gradebook after April 28th. So make sure you get your reviews done by then, regardless of when you're scheduling yourself to take the test. So like I said, there will also be essay questions. Have your book handy. Make sure you're able to quote the textbook if I ask you to. And look up what you need to look up while you're taking the test. So let me know if you have any other questions on either week 14 or the test as you're getting ready, and I hope you're having a great week.